back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Miriam. So guys, today is a restaurant review video and we are currently headed to Pappies Meatro at Usetu. So guys, when I get there, I'll show you guys the menu, the restaurant and everything you need to know. Stay tuned for this video. See ya. Bye.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So guys, for my honest review about Pappies Meatro, I'm rating it 9/10. 9 out of 10, yes. For the food, I had firewood jollof rice, fried plantain and chicken. So nice. I totally enjoyed the food. Their customer service is nice, though the food came in late, but it's okay. If you really love cozy place, you should consider going there because the restaurant is crowded, so you should consider that. For the prices, For the rice, plantain and chicken, it cost me 3.5. For the milkshake, I had vanilla milkshake. The vanilla costs 2.5, so that's 7,000. Fair enough. So guys, if you have any contribution, suggestion or questions about Pappies Meatro, you should ask me in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. I love you guys. See you later. Bye.